Alright y'all, so before we hop into this video, check out what I just did today with my Notebook 9 Pro. Woo! That's icy. All these stickers right here, I got from my friend that fixed the Note 8 and the Note 9 and fixed other phones and stuff for a living. But I got all these stickers here for 15 bucks and I actually messed up a sticker, but he just took that off. So yeah, 15 bucks for all of these. Besides the Samsung and Apple Pay decals that you could just find online for free. So look, we got Monster Energy, Supreme, Ferrari, Facebook, Android, YouTube. Guys, YouTube? Come on now, if you're a YouTuber, you gotta have a YouTube sticker on your laptop. Like, that's just the law, basically. I got this because it looked like Lyrical Lemonade. And yeah, so I thought that was cool. We got Harley Davidson. I don't know, I'm really feeling it. Anyways, let's just hop into the reason you came to this video. I just had to show you, like, I thought it was so dope to me. So what's good y'all, it's Terrell, and I'm gonna just cut the BS for the most part and just get straight into this. So pretty much with the Galaxy Tab S4 book cover keyboard, you don't have a trackpad on here like you do on the Galaxy Tab S6. I always wanted a trackpad on my Tab S4, but that just wasn't a thing. But now with the Tab S6, it come with one. So we gotta see if it's actually compatible with this. And the Tab S6 book cover keyboard goes for like, I think $50 more than the Tab S4 one. Like, it's expensive. It's like $180 for this with the, stand that come with it, of course. But I love this way better because the stand that you actually put on the back of the tablet is separate from this. On the Tab S4, you was just stuck with the keyboard. So let's just go and see this real quick. And here are the charging pogo connectors right here in the Tab S4. This isn't my Tab S4, by the way, so I just want to let y'all know that right now. So, does it connect? No. Look at this, guys. So I'm actually going to show you this head on. So you see the connectors on here? They're way too spaced out on the Tab S4. So no, guys, it's not going to work with the Tab S4, which sucks. But maybe you can use a stand on the Tab S6. I just don't got that right now. It's coming tomorrow in the mail. I'll let y'all know about that when it comes in the mail tomorrow. So no matter how hard you try, you just can't line these up and you can't connect it to the Tab S4. I know it sucks because I definitely would like this too. But yeah, like, that's just not even an option. The only things that really line up here, which it doesn't really even line up that well, is these indents here, but it's like bigger on the Tab S4 too. So you see the indents for this thing? This is actually a little bit wider and it's actually longer. So yeah, y'all, you can't connect the Tab S6 book cover keyboard to the Tab S4. I'm not really sure about the Tab S5e. I'll see about that maybe, if I can. If you can, that would definitely be dope because the Tab S6, Tab S5e, and the Tab S4 is all 10.5 inches. But yeah, y'all, I mean, that was pretty much it. But I can't even lie, man, I'm actually proud of what I did on here. It feel like every YouTuber ever did this, and then here I am with the same exact thing. And now I'm basic like everybody else on the planet. Now all I need is my hydro flask. But yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Stay tuned for the Tab S6 unboxing, and I'll compare it with the Tab S4. And stay tuned for the Samsung ecosystem video because that's coming as soon as I get that tablet. Well, it'll be like 2 days after I get the tablet, but still.